Luluwag din yan pagdating doon. Pagpahinto-hinto, no? Para sa sakay din eh. Pagpahinto-hinto ka. Lipat lang ako sa unahan.
अंकल विजय ब्लैक कलर
Ang dami. Okay lang. Medyo lumulubog naman eh. Hindi na kailangan magsabayan. Kailangan ko yung green eh. Kailangan ko ganyan. Ang bike mo. Hindi na nakita ulit. Hindi ko na dito eh. Nakapili. Ito, maluwag-luwag na.
Because all footballers wear it.
Buy one, stop there.
Engaged. He's enjoying the music over there. I can see your head nodding along. Lovely. Oh, and you? I got you. Good morning. Oh, good morning. That's not fair. She's not doing anything. Daddy is doing all of the riding. Good morning. Enjoy it. You're about to ride on Shakespeare Road. How exciting. I see cat ears or something. I'm very happy about that. Morning. How's everybody doing? We good? I said, how's everybody doing? Are we good?
Good!
Oh, yes, that's excellent.
Tara! We're going! Check side road! Let's go!
Remember, if you're taking any pictures, make sure you share them with us on Instagram at Dubai Fitness Challenge. Good morning. I love your little safety jacket. Well done.
Ito ka lang,
And
Mi.
of course, if
Right
you
ka lang,
want to
right.
stop and take photos,
Mabilis
you
yan sa
can
left.
do. Please do it very carefully. Don't just stop. Make
tayo
sure
sa
you
chill
look
ride.
around you. Take plenty of time to do so. I'm going to come off the stage and come right down to the road. Let's see if we can scare some people. No, I would never. Look, I'm right here. Good morning, Dubai. I love to see you all. You're looking great. Good morning. Now, you be careful as you go onto that Sheikh Zayed Road. We're here to have fun, right? We're here to have fun.
Diba? Walang sasakyan. Puro bike lang. Only Dubai ride. This thing happened. Dito na tayo. Okay, let's go. Mauna ka, gusto ito nakikita. Sarap.
Ano yan?
Saya to. Akit tayo ng bridge.
Kaya yan.
Makaka.
Tayo ng beach before.
Bakit na tayo dyan?
Oo, madaming nabitin doon. Ano mo?
Okay. Saya to. Ngayon ka lang makakakit ng bridge ng nakabike. Only Dubai ride time.
Kahit sa atin na yun.
Correct.
Ito, mukha lang spacious.
Pero tinan mo, puno sila sa bridge. Oh.
Ayun yung mga marshal din yun. Nakaayos na naman. Nakaayos. Green and blue. Kita mo, may marshal lower.
Ah, nakabike din?
Oo, nakabalik. Kaya nakakahit naman. Hindi ka pwede. Shit! Ayun.
Oo.
Green and blue. Nandang marshal.
Tama, tama.
Hindi ka pwede pasawag.
Oh, parang
May kasabay
sasakyan
ka
din
sa
yan eh.
daan.
Di ba yung mga polis na sasakyan din, kasabay mo. Ah, ito nga. At malalaki sila.
Hindi camping bag.
DP World? Sa DP? Ang ano ka? Pandairy. Yeah. Uy. Grabe. Ay. Dubai Fitness Challenge. 30 by 30.
Hamdan, mahigit sa 30 minutes kung ginawaan namin today ah. Palampasin kami. Pero ganun kalaki yung effect sa ni Hamdan, no? Pag-type niya, gawa ng paraan. Sarang chic guys.
Correct.
Hindi siya athletic, may ganito. Hindi, no? Wala. Okay, no? Kasi sana may ganito doon sa BBC. O kaya doon sa may ano,
Pero doon sa last may.
may bilyar. Area ng bilyar.
Ah, oh, doon maganda ron.
Oo, doon maganda.
Sa may yung bilyar ano?
Oo, bilyar city.
Bilyar City niya.
Habang wala pang puno.
Mukha niya.
Habang wala pang puno. Ay, wala pang bahay. Iyak, ito tayo.
Ito na.